In front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G50. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for Battery Sound Notification app. Download this app. Open it. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
Now name your function, give it description, and tap this button to save. And now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.